like a Hellcat.
Hi children, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. I hope children you all must have completed your worksheets, exercise and diagrams of your previous chapter. I will say that children please complete all your work in time, otherwise you will only be very overburdened. So don't avoid your studies, finish everything, all your work within the given time. Okay, so children, for a change, let's play a game today. What say? Come on, let's cheer up the mood, then we will study. So, can you see here? I'm having some colorful clouds, purple, red, blue, and orange clouds. In these clouds, our topic is hidden, which we will read today. So, come on, let's find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. अक्कर बक्कर बम्बे बो 80-90 पूरे 100 से निकला धागा चोर निकल के भागा. This one, purple one. Let's check it. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what it is there. Oh, that is plant life. So, today we will learn about plant life, that is chapter 5. Oh wow, this is rhyming. Isn't it children? Chapter 5, Plants Life. So, did you all had fun? Yes. So, let's start and hear out about plants life. Children, as you all know, life begins on earth once you are born and reproduced. Similarly, plants also continues its life after it gets reproduced. And do you remember what is reproduction? The process of producing one's own kind is called as reproduction. Yes, you remember? As we all know that most of the plants that we see around us, whether fruits or vegetables, almost many plants reproduce through seeds. But do you know children that plants not only reproduce through seeds but also in variety of ways, like they reproduce through stems, they reproduce through leaves, and they sometimes reproduce through roots and also through spores. So children, there are various ways through which plants reproduce. Do you remember in previous chapter we studied that spores are small reproductive cells that helps in reproduction. So fern and moss plant reproduce through spores. Spores are very small, tiny, lightweight, seed-like structures which carry out reproduction. So from these spores, fern and moss plants are reproduced. Now children, to make you more clear, I have got a leaf of fern plant having spores in it. Do you want to see? Yes. Now wait, I am showing you. Yes. Children, this is little bit bent because I have kept it under the water, so it is little wet also. Just see. Children, can you see this? The small, very tiny, I'm giving you a close-up video of this. The very small, tiny seed-like structures, okay? These are the small spores which is present in fern leaf. Can you see? I'm bringing very close to you. Okay. These are the small spores present in the entire leaf. This is the fern leaf. Fern plant, the leaf of a fern plant. Okay. I have plugged it. Children, from these small spores, the fern plant gets its reproduction. Okay, they reproduce from these small spores, which are the reproductive cells, and these spores helps in reproduction. Same case in moss plants too. They also reproduce through spores. In moss plants, small spores are there, and from these spores the moss plants reproduce. Clear, children? Now let's learn about reproduction through stem. Okay? Stem is a part of a plant that you all know. It holds the plant, and from the stem small branches comes out. Yes, you all have seen the stem of a plant. Now you all might have seen like your rose plant, hibiscus plant, jasmine plant, isn't it? Children, these plants are grown by cutting a piece of a stem from a grown up plant. Okay, by cutting a small piece of stem having birds in it, and this stem is been cut from a grown up plant. Everyone, even like your most farmers and gardeners, cut out few pieces of stem having small birds in it and then plant these stems in the soil. After that, new plants start growing from these cut out stem pieces. This is a very simple and easy technique of plantation which we also do. Supposing if we like a plant, we usually cut out the stem and we plant it in our own garden. So this is called the stem cuttings. Like your rose plant, sugarcane plant, etc. can be grown from this process. Children, have you seen small white green color birds on potatoes? If you don't understand, you have seen, but you don't know that what they are actually called. Wait, I am showing you. Even you can also find it out in your own kitchen. Yes. Children, see, this is a potato. Yeah. Can you see this white green? These are the birds. This is also going to come out. Okay. This is also ready to come out. This one, small one. And this is already there, already present over there, already grown, white green. Okay, then some more will also come out. It is ready to come. Okay, so children, these are the birds which are actually called the eyes of potatoes. Oh, तो you might be thinking, क्या potato हमें देख सकता है? No, children. These are not those eyes. Okay? These are potato eyes. These are the birds which help the farmers or the gardeners to grow new potato plants from these birds. Okay? Even ginger too has birds in it. Wait, I'm showing you. Yes. Children, I'm showing you what are the birds of ginger. This is a normal ginger. You can see I'm holding this one. 1, 2, and 3. The small horn-like structures, okay, which is extra grown from here. 1, 2, 3. The small horn-like structures are the birds of ginger. Okay, and you all must have learned in previous classes that ginger, onion, potato are all underground stems. Why underground? Because obviously they are grown under the soil. So with the help of these birds, ginger and potato plants are grown. Okay. Next, let's talk about onion. An onion is a bulb. What's a bulb? This is a bulb? Yes, children, this is a bulb, but this is an electric bulb. But in plants, bulb means the round underground stem having fleshy leaves in it. Once again, I am telling you, round underground stem having fleshy leaves in it is known as a bulb. Wait, I am showing you an onion and its bulb. This is a onion. Yes, you can see. And this is a cutout piece of a onion. So children, are you all excited to know the bulb of onion? Wait, I am showing you. So children, just see. You can see, yes, this fleshy leaves. Can you see this? These are the, once I'll cut out, then the leaves will come out. Okay, can you see? 1, 2, then 3, 4 and so on. So these are the bulb, the fleshy leaves. Okay, so from this onion bulbs, new onion plants start growing. Clear? From these onion bulb, new onion plants start growing. Okay, so don't get confused. What is a bulb? A bulb is a underground stem having fleshy leaves. An underground stem, why? Because onion grows under the soil, and that is why it is called as underground stem. And you also know we eat the stems of ginger, potato and onion. So that's why they are called as underground stem. Now children, have you seen a strawberry plant? Okay, if you have not seen, doesn't matter. I'm telling you, a strawberry plant contains long stems that run along the ground over the surface of the soil. These are called the runners. Don't worry children, they will not run like you. They are not super fast. They are called runners as they spread in the ground. Okay, each runner has a tiny plant at its end, and these tiny plant can be again grown to produce new plants. So this is all about the reproduction of strawberry plant through runners. Now you all understood reproduction of stems. There were so many to learn, from birds, from bulb, from stem cuttings and a runner. Clear? Next, we will learn about reproduction through leaves. Okay? Children, reproduction through leaves means, the best example I'll give you, an aloe vera plant. From an aloe vera plant, if you can pluck a leaf, if you can cut out a leaf and place it in the pot, then new aloe vera plant will start growing. I am showing you a leaf of an aloe vera plant. Just see, children, this is an aloe vera plant. Directly, if you will cut out the leaf, okay, if not this long leaf, if you can cut again this leaf into pieces and place it in your pot, then new aloe vera plant will start growing from this single leaf. So this is reproduction through leaf. Another example is your bryophyllum leaves. Actually, you have not seen bryophyllum leaves, but the leaves are similar to the aloe vera leaf, and in the edges of the bryophyllum leaf, small birds grow in it. When the leaf fall on the ground, then with the help of these birds, new plants start growing. Understood? So bryophyllum leaf also reproduce through the leaves. Next, we will learn about reproduction from roots. Children, you remember we eat the roots of some vegetables. So what are they? Yes, carrot, sweet potato, turnip, radish, beetroot, etc. So these are the roots to which we eat as food. Children, these plants can be grown directly in the soil as they are the root itself. Okay? Now children, some can also be grown in any bottle or containers or in any jar. Like for example, if you take a sweet potato and insert 4 to 5 toothpicks at the bottom of the sweet potato, at the end part of the sweet potato, then place it in a bottle or a jar. Add enough water to the jar so that the bottom of the potato sits fully in the water. Then water it regularly and keep it near your window to get enough sunshine, to get enough sunlight, so that the sweet potato bottom stays wet. So you have to water the same level in the jar. Keep watering the sweet potato. After few days or few weeks, you will see small leaves will first come out, and then after some days, long stems or branch like structures will start growing. So the sweet potato will continue growing. Later on, you can place this in the soil. Similarly, such root vegetables are grown and reproduced from the roots itself. The most common process by which many plants reproduce is through seeds, which I said you in the beginning. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes and colors. So you all know that when you will insert a seed in the soil, it will start growing. The most easiest method of reproduction of plants. So what we all learned today? Reproduction on plants takes place in various ways. What are those? Seeds or spores, stems, leaves and roots. Now children, your duty is to go through the book, read thoroughly, read line by line, concentrate in my video, listen my video. Wherever you don't understand, again go through my video and go through your book. Go through the examples which is given in the book, and after doing all these things, if you have any doubt, keep it ready. I will clear it. But remember children, along with that, I will also ask you few questions related to your doubts, because some of you are not going through my video and only asking doubts, which is really feeling bad for me. So my dear children, again I am telling you, no need to confuse yourself. Okay? Just read your book. Just concentrate on my video. That is enough for you. Okay? So we will meet in the Zoom class. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.